could she have gone to? Good day, Mom. You got me worried. I'm okay. I told you to always take permission before you leave the palace. Here is not abroad you came from. Things are different here. Huh? Mom, I can take good care of myself and be perfectly okay. Your sister said you left with tears. If I may ask, to where? And what is the problem? Mom, no problem, I'm fine now. That is the problem with you. You are too secretive for my liking. Even things you're supposed to tell me as a mother. There are things you need to confide in me. But in your own case, no. You choose to keep it to yourself. Ini Edo, what is your problem?
Mom, believe you in me when I say that this is not something you want to know. I am fine.
What makes you think so?
Because it's not necessary.
Go to the farm.
You are sleeping. Listen, before I close my eye and open my eyes, go inside, carry your cutlass and let's go to the farm. My problem is, I don't know how some people reason. I don't know. Papa just died yesterday. And today, you are marrying your cutlass, you are marrying your basket, going to the farm. Okay, let me ask you. What will people say? Should they see you people going to the farm? What will people say if you die of hunger? Are you normal? What is wrong with you? So because Papa is dead, we should not go to the farm. We should just die of hunger just like that.
Ask him.
And allow all those grasshopper to eat up everything we have in the farm. Seriously, he's talking. Well, Papa is dead. Didn't you eat 3 square meal? I'm asking you. Have you not been eating back to back? Why don't you stand up and let's go to the farm? Well, I don't care what people may say, I don't care what you may be thinking. But what I know is that me, Uche, I am still mourning the death of my beloved father. And I am going nowhere.
Stop acting like you're the one most affected here. I remember vividly when you refused to go and see me in the hospital while you were sick.
And so? And so? And so what? Does that change the fact that he is my father? My beloved father is boom bam. If I use this cutlass to cut your ear now, you say I've started. You're not normal. But I will just tell you for the last time. Stand up now, take your cutlass and your hoe, let's go to the farm before I do something to you. What else can I do? If not, beat me. But the point here is, can you catch me? You cannot catch me. So you cannot beat me.
Hi.
Hi!
Were you not the girl I saw the other day with her stubborn friend?
Yes, it's me! That's my friend. She's very, very stubborn. You are correct. I am Choma the good girl.
I want us to talk.
Hey! Okay.
Wait. Eh? Let me come down from my car.
You want to come down?
Yes. Oh. So how is she?
She's fine. Let me even ask you. What did you see in that, my friend, Oge? That cheap prostitute?
Wait. You mean she's a prostitute?
Oh, you are new in this village. Who does not know Oge? Oge is a cheap prostitute. She has slept with almost all the men in this village. Any man that has not slept with her must be an underage. Yes. Eh? If I let me tell you the full story. Yoge neke, oge bukezaya. Yoge neke. Onwe hebo de kefo. Yoge nebe no kwe. Onwe hebo de befo. Eh? Oge. Mani mafia o. Mana delio. Mana uru mango. Mana uru cashew. Mana copy. Name it. Even self, if you want now, you call her. Just tell her
You mean her name is Oge?
Yes, no. Yes, her name is Oge.
Is she that loose?
Oge, hi! Loose is an understatement. I just told you that Oge Bukezaya, you ne kadi homa, you ne be no body homa, you ne be as in one be bembesa. Onwo no dey before. Onwo dey before kuna village abo bele nwe kunaka. Oge. Okay. Don't even go to that direction. Oh, in a crazy. You go agent side there. You know go. In a jumbo, maybe in a gent Catholic. I'm not actually going anywhere. I can follow you. I can accompany you. So that hey, I should go into the car.
She's coming, my queen.
Greetings, my queen. You sent for me.
Ugo. The princess have not been herself since yesterday both of you came back. What happened?
I do not know, my queen.
You do not know?
Yes, my queen.
Let me believe you, even though I know you are lying to me. Now tell me, where did both of you visit yesterday? And do not try to lie to me, else you will not like to see the other side of me. Speak out. Where did both of you visit yesterday?
My queen, she warned me not to speak. She warned me not to tell anyone or say anything about it.
Really? Who employed you?
You did.
Who pays you?
You do, Your Majesty.
And I can as well sack you right now without wasting time if you do not tell me what I want to know from you. Now speak out. Where did both of you go yesterday?
Are you not going to come down and say hi to my father?
That will be some other time. I have somewhere to run to.
Okay, no problem.
Hey. How are you? Who is he?
Who is your babe? And who are you to ask me that question? Onyekebu, Iyayo, who are you to ask me such question?
Wait. Chioma, who is this miserable looking young man?
My dear, don't mind him. He's one of the village rapists in disguise of a laborer, deceiving people, but definitely not me, Chioma, because I can never fall for that.
Chioma, me rapist?
Are you anything better than that?
Young man, will you take your miserable body out of here before I tell you that with a slap?
Slap? What is wrong with you? Huh? I've not even disrespected you since I came here. Why will you open your mouth to slap me? Slap me for what? I will talk to you, just slap me. Hey, you're your own fellow man. Listen, respect yourself. It's not even to slap me, one of us will die here. I
don't like insulting strangers. Please, take your body out of here before I call the police or send my boys to bounce on you.
Let's leave them alone. Let's go to the farm. Live your miserable life up here now. Shush! Don't touch me before you infect me with your poverty life. Go!
Let her leave!
I said you should go. Go! Look at the way he's smelling poverty.
Wait, let me ask you. What are you doing with this kind of person?
Me? I can never have anything to do with this thing now? When you don't even go there. I don't even.
You don't need to associate yourself with this
I
kind
am
of
not
person.
associating myself with him. Nothing like that.
Alright, next time I will come and see you. Okay?
Okay. Bye-bye.
Alright, take care.
Ola, what is it that bothers you? You've refused to talk to anyone about it.
If I had taken him to a better hospital, he would have survived it.
What are you talking about?
Who is the young man you went to pay a condolence visit yesterday over his father's death in this village?
Mom, his name is Peter, known as Piccolo.
Piccolo?
Yes, Mom.
Son of the late Onowu. What do you have with him?
Nothing. He's just my friend.
Ola, you returned to this community not up to 1 week and you're already making friends. Ola, not just friends, but male friends. Ola, you're a princess for crying out loud.
So because I'm a princess, I don't have right to choose my friends?
Just pray your father doesn't hear this.
Won't you spit on me?
Why would I do that?
Why won't you do that? Eh? First it was Uchi, now a total stranger, reminding me of my situation.
Brother, calm down. If you keep shouting like this, you will get sick.
You don't get it. It's not like them telling me all these things is even paining me. But the truth is, what they are telling me is the fact. They are not lying. Eh? How long?
Brother, just calm down. You are not God. I believe on the appointed time, God will make a way for you.
I know. But the question is when? Is it when I grow old, when I have grey hairs? Or when my eyes are too weak? Or when I'm walking with a stick? Or when my teeth fall out? When?
Brother, why are you sounding this way? Why?
Chinwe, I am tired. You understand? At this point, I just want to stay and face what I have in front of me. I don't want any sweet talk. What they are saying is the fact. I am tired. No, tell me now. Or when I begin to walk with a stick. I don't understand. Listen, the truth is the truth. You understand? Let me just be ready and face what I have. There is no sweet talking in this thing. I'm tired. I'm tired.
I feel like I have betrayed the princess.
No, don't say that. You never did.
I did. I shouldn't have told the queen.
Even when your job is at stake in this palace.
I know, but I gave her my word. I promised never to discuss this with anyone until she's ready to tell.
It doesn't really matter, okay? After all, she was going to still tell them, either sooner or later. He wasn't going to keep it to herself forever, you know?
I know. I should have kept my promise. My word should be my bond.
Not why you're still a servant in this palace. Remember, maidens are not allowed to do things on their own. They are being compelled to do it whether they like it or not. So, we are just nothing but maidens in this palace. My sister.
I know what.
But what? No but. I think we are done with this discussion.
You did nothing wrong. Simple.
Brother. Brother, what is it? You look so worried.
Uzoma, I'm not happy.
Did anything happen? Okay, why are you not happy? What is it?
The girl I'm in love with, her friend told me she's a prostitute.
Prostitute? Okay, what is this girl's name?
Her friend told me her name is Oge.
And what is this her friend's name?
Chioma. Wait. Wait. Why are you laughing? Do you know them?
Yes, I know them. Oge is not a prostitute. Who doesn't know Oge in this village? Hey. Brother, relax. Just relax your mind. Oge is not a prostitute. She's not. Where is this coming from?
But I have no reason not to believe her friend. She's her friend. She knows her better than any other person in this village.
Brother, Oge is not a prostitute. Is that why you are just moody, angry? You are not. I know now. Brother, don't worry yourself, okay? Oge is a very good girl. Very good girl. Hey now. So, Chioma can go to this extent just to spoil her friend's name. Ha. Brother, so, are you okay now? You are happy?
No, my daughter. Everything is wrong with being just friends with him.
And what could that be, Father? I don't understand. I just said that we are only friends. Just friends.
Really? Just friends, you said? But you mourned his father like a father-in-law. Many marriages today started with just friends, as you put it. And that is what we are trying to prevent here. You don't keep a goat in charge of a tuber of yam. Wokuna why? He went wrong. What I go?
My sister, you see that poor village tout? He's not the right man for you. I mean, what does he have to offer you? You're a princess for crying out loud.
This family, despite being a royal family, still sustains a little portion of memory. When you gained scholarship to study overseas, we are happy, hoping that when you come back, you secure a good job and help this family become more ready. Even if you don't secure a job, with your beauty, you will attract a really young man who would help me check off the last trace of poverty in my family. But here you are, running after a poor village tout. I tell you, it is practically unacceptable.
Oh, your plans were to sell me out for money.
If that is what you call it, so be it. I don't want to see you around that boy again. Never.
Brother, is everything alright?
Yes, everything is fine. Don't mind. Let's just go back to work.
Brother, it is obvious that everything is not fine. I know you're worried about what happened earlier on today. Stop forcing yourself because you cannot concentrate. It's fine, let's go back home.
Why are you kneeling before me?
I am so sorry, my princess. I should have kept my promise, but I do not want to lose my job, and she threatened me with it. If I did not speak the truth, I don't know what would have happened.
Ugo, it's okay. Don't be too hard on yourself. You're only a maid, and the queen can always command you to do things against your will, okay?
I know, my princess. You trust and like me. And that is why you never hid your feelings for him from me. I should have paid you back your trust in a better way, not betraying you.
You still have so many things to pay me back with in future. Not with your job. So try to forgive yourself, it's okay.
I feel guilty. I still feel guilty.
Okay, fine. I think this will make you feel better. The secret wasn't going to last forever, you know. I was about letting the cat out of the bag to my sister, whom I know will surely tell Mom, before she walked in. So you see, everything is exposed. Okay? Just try and forgive yourself.
Thank you.
Don't be too hard on yourself. It's okay, you can go.
Thank you, my princess.
Just get me a glass of juice, okay?
Thank you, my princess.
What is the meaning of this? What kind of expensive joke is this? Are you not? Oh, expensive joke, okay? No problem. I want to ask you, what did you tell my brother concerning Ogi? Your brother. Wait. Is Chima your brother? Mba, he is my father. Is that why you are shouting? Are we no longer friends? You're my friend now. Calm down. Okay, you know what? Yes, just come, let me buy you something that we discuss. Come. Leave me alone. Leave me alone! I don't need anything from you. You are not my friend. You are not. See, Chioma, you know that I know you. You know Abi. See, let me warn you. Stay away from my brother. My brother is looking for a wife material. Not just any woman. Stay away from him, oh. Chioma, I will not warn you again. I will not. Hey! Will you marry your brother? Will you marry your brother? Look at this. Leave my brother alone. Leave my brother alone. No, we don't want
Not me. Not me, Uche. Eh? Mother, how old are you? Are your mates not doing better than you are? Oh, you think Papa loved you? Because he was calling you my son while he was alive. Papa was highly disappointed at you. You are a disgrace to this family. Big disgrace. Look at you. Papa sold all he had to send you to school. What could you afford? Common money to send Papa to hospital. It's little amount to send him to hospital. You couldn't take him to a better hospital and he died out of our debt, poverty. You are a shame. Shame on you.
Will you shut your mouth before I shout it for you? Will you shut your mouth?
It's alright. Let it be. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Uche, you speak to me in this manner. Jimmy, pick up your basket. Let it be. Let's go. Jimmy, I said pick up your basket.
No, people should come back. Come and talk to me. I will all dust you. Just you know what scatter you people. Diala. Disturbing my sleep.
Now that we have concluded the burial of our father, we want to say thank God. At least we were able to bury him the best way we could. So we give glory to God. So I called this meeting just to let both of you know that I have decided to go to the city.
Good. Very, very good. This is exactly what I have been expecting from you long time ago.
Uche, would you shut that in the corner? Brother is still talking.
Uche, respect yourself. You see why I started this meeting in a very, very calm manner because I do not want to shout. And by that I mean I don't want the neighbors to hear my voice. You're my key brother. The last born. Yes. That doesn't mean you should start acting like a baby. I have seen some family where the last born is making better than the first born.
Brother Bigoro, this is my problem with you. This is my major problem with you. Okay, are you now trying to push your responsibilities to me simply because you have failed in all of them? One
I don't want this meeting to end in a fight. I will beat you mercilessly if you don't watch your mouth. Like I said, I do not want anybody to hear my voice. Respect yourself. I was trying to say, let me go back to what I was trying to say before I was rudely interrupted. I am going to the city. I want you, Uche, to take up the responsibility as the man of the house. I don't want to hear any problem. I want you to respect yourself and do the needful.
Let me remove that stupid as if it's not there. On the other side, you can trust me now. Trust me, your blood, Uche, stay inside and something goes wrong. It's not possible. I can fight. Anybody that only to listen. I can fight for this family, protect this family, and protect my sister.
See what you were talking like a baby. That's how I will go to the city and come back and meet your cops. I have good news for you. The people that will kill you, I will not even report them to the police, or not more of even fighting them. Because you're a very stupid boy.
I'm one of the house. Once you leave, you become my subject. You stay in there, lock it down, and go out. Man of the house.
Mom, where is Dad? I haven't seen him since morning.
He went to the King's meeting. He should be on his way back.
Sorry, I forgot.
How would you remember when you are...
Mom, what is the meaning of this? What sort of wickedness is this? What kind of inhuman treatment is this? How can you conspire with Dad to lock me up in my own father's house? What is going on? Huh?
Until you come back to your normal senses.
What? Oh, now I understand it. You should have told me that my coming back to Nigeria is to be a prisoner in my own father's house. What is going on, Mom?
You brought this upon yourself. So why are you complaining?
Okay, now understand it. Mom, I give you 3 days. I give you and Dad 3 days. 3 days to give me back my freedom. Or I will do something you and Dad will live to regret. Mark my words.
Mom, are you sure she's okay?
You can say that again.
I want to say thank you to you. Thank you for your control towards my father's care. God bless you. Hi.
That friend's fault, my brother.
Okay, please, not by that one. It's not every friend that will help. I came to you one time, you just helped me. Man, really, I really appreciate it. And I owe you one. God will bless you. Meanwhile, I am thinking of going to the city. City? Yes. To do what? My brother, for how long will I continue to be like this? Let me go and hustle. I will do anything that is available for me. Let me just, I'm a man, I will survive.
I see, before you go to the city, just try and tell me so I will arrange your transport.
Hi! No, I am still saying thank you for the one that you have done. You want to do another one again?
Yes, because you're a good friend.
Thank you, my brother. God will bless you. Thank you. Hi! Techno.
Let me be going now.
Okay, no problem. Techno! Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi.
Yo, Your Highness. I have waited patiently for this day to come. And now that the invalid Ono is gone and gone forever, no one can stop me from actualizing my ambition. Chee!
Papilo, I want to ask you a question.
And what could that be, Your Highness?
Do you have a hand in the death of your mother?
Your Highness, you didn't just ask me that, did you? I can't involve myself in such frivolities, such barbaric act. If I have to kill, I kill by myself with my gun. And I look for a big fish, not a pauper like him.
Well, I asked you the question because from the way you gloat over his death, it's puzzling.
Of course I'm happy he's dead and gone, because his existence was a stumbling block in me actualizing my ambition.
Well, my advice to you is mind the way you go about it. Be careful. It's your ambition, yes, I agree. But mind the way you present it before the cabinet meeting to avoid suspicion.
That's my homie talking. That's my nigga talking. You're the man. My Highness. Your Highness that knows what time it is. Your Highness that knows how to press the button. Your Highness that...
All is well, my sister, but something troubles me.
And what could that be? Can you share it with me?
It's Oge. She's not dancing to my tune.
Oge again? But I told you I'm going to talk to her.
But you have not done that. And I have few days to spend in this village.
Okay, you know what? I'm going to talk to her before the week runs out. And I promise you, I will convince her.
I will appreciate it if you do that for me.
Anything for you. You're my brother. I can do anything for you.
That's why I love you.
Igwe, what about the meeting you attended? I hope it was successful.
Oh yes, it was. We mainly discussed the development of every community in the state. And we succeeded in creating a 5-man panel. And
appointed 5 kings from every community in the state that will be meeting with the state governor next weekend.
Igwe, that is a very welcome development. That was very good. In fact, the governor should strive to develop our communities, especially this our community, because of the abundant resources we have here. Mazion, what do you think?
Exactly. Igwe, I hope he will give the panel a listening ear.
He has no reason not to. All we do is we keep our arms folded, hoping for the best. Hopefully, he will come to our aid.
Yes,
Hey, Choma. Okay. Baby, na Gakwa. Where are you going to? My friend, because I know you.
You rather die than stay at a place, oh. Is it my fault? Is it my fault? Would you blame me? Not at all. You know it's in my nature to be moving around. As a fine girl that I am. Okay, since moving about is in your nature, I will never blame you. But where are you moving to this time around? Where are you going to? I was actually coming to your place. My place? Yes. I hope all is well. All was well until I saw that idiot, Chim. Who is Chima? Have you forgotten so soon? That idiot, that useless Chima. That guy that saw us the other day on the road and stopped us and was talking rubbish because he has a car. That guy now that has a car now that was talking rubbish the other day now. Have you forgotten? Oh! That one? Yes. So what happened to him? Thank you. I never knew that guy is a chronic humanizer. You wouldn't believe what he said to me. That idiot had the guts to stop me, Muabu Chioma, and was begging me to sleep with him. That he likes me. Can you imagine? I have suffered. But I told you this earlier. But he didn't see anything wrong in him. Oh. It's not my fault. I did not know. I never knew that he was this irresponsible. I thought he's a matured guy, that he's responsible. I don't know, he's a humanizer. I don't know. God will punish him. Amen. God will punish him. Amen. He think he can manipulate us because he has a car. Can you imagine? So now that I can now have peace without you pressurizing me to consider if you try it. If you try it, don't even try it though. Because if you do, I will unfriend you. Please don't though, because I'm not trying. How can you go and accept that irresponsible goat? He goat. He want to come and.
And what's the meaning of that shit?
Obiakwa. Biakwa, every time shit man. One day you go sign that shit. And if you don't, you have wine.
Why can't you guys just wake up and smell some Colombian coffee? Do we have to just go around the circle over the same topic? Let's move into something better, because we got a whole lot to talk about here.
Yeah, Papilo, here is royal house and not a toilet. Huh? So if you know you shit anywhere around, better go and pack it. Huh?
Man, you my friend. But when I look at you now, you know what I see? A dumb ass, a moron, a pimp, magnanimous pimp. That's what you are. The man that used to be the Ono is long dead and buried. And you're here talking about Igwe's meetings and discussions instead of talking about how to make me the Ono of this community.
Yeah, Papi, are you a wizard?
And what is that supposed to mean?
What is what supposed to mean? To make you the Ono. We're still mourning the demise of our late Ono, who was just recently buried. And Papilo is here clamoring shamelessly for the position of Ono.
Man, I just realized that common sense ain't even common at all. Can't you just get it? The dead is dead. Let the dead bury the dead, and let the living keep living till infinity, dumbass. Chee!
Dumbass.
Nigerian, I think it is all for today.
Huh?
Your Highness, that was very unfair. I am your friend, your buddy. So you got to stick with me every step of the way, no matter the situation. So how could you just dismiss such a sensitive case like that? Think about it, man. It didn't make any sense to me.
Papilo, do you remember me telling you how to go about this presentation?
Of course, Your Highness. Which way was the better way to present it? I tried my best.
Your best is awful. Sorry to tell you this. You possess little or no leadership qualities. Your presentation is 0%. When you lack leadership qualities and manner of presentation, tell me, how do you lead?
Your Highness, are you in any way trying to tell me that you're not going to endorse me again for your no?
Well, I did not say so. I'll try my best to see how I can make you my own no, and still manage you the way I'm managing you now.
Manage me? Your Highness, that's an insult, dude. But you know what? I refuse to get angry. Just make sure you keep to your words. Let your word be your bond. I do appreciate everything. I gotta go now. You know what I mean? Have a wonderful day. Cheers! Hi! Cheers!
I don't know when work here. Eh? We know when I care the year on it. Oh yeah, Delia.
Madam, you sent for me and what we going to become.
As you know that the Onowu of this our community died.
Yes, a few weeks ago.
Now the position of Onowu, that exalted position of Onowu is up for grabs. Now, Papilo is the favorite contender. They might give it to him because he's a friend of the Igwe. Chimanwam. I want that position.
Papa, your son is the only rich man in this community. Yes. So the Ojodi compagnon still remains that whatever you want, you will get it.
I trust you.
Even if you want to become the king, Father, I will make you the king. You know I can do it.
I don't want to be the king. I just want to be the Onowu.
Just Onowu. Consider it done. That is Jojo be companion at this account. I will make you know. Don't worry yourself. That's why you are still outside. Since you have met, once I hear that is the Jojo be companion at this account. I will give you. Let's go inside. No, punch it. I got my points now. I will punch in money into the account.
Woman, why not we talk about it in the bedroom? Or better still wait tomorrow. We'll resolve whatever is bothering you.
No, my lord. Tomorrow will be too late.
So what is it?
It's about the princess. I'm scared of her threats earlier on today. She might do something stupid.
She will not do anything stupid. It's a mere threat. So relax.
Don't say it's a mere threat. Have you forgotten she stayed long abroad? And she may have adopted their mentality and way of behavior.
Whatever it is, I assure you I will resolve it tomorrow.
Are you sure?
Yes. Are you okay now?
I feel better now.
Can we go to the bedroom?
Why not?
Hey. Stop. I remember you. You are the poverty I had encounter with a few days ago. So where are you taking your miserable body to?
Are you normal? Eh? I mean, it's very obvious to me that you just learnt that English. They just teach you that one now from Togo. Yeah, I can't wait. Listen, respect yourself. You don't have better things to tell me. Just leave me, let me move.
Wait. Are you referring to me? Do you want me to arrest you?
Arrest me for what? As what now? Eh? Listen, for your information, the only thing when you get past me na money. Not only money be the thing when you get past me. Outside that one, everything at normal level. If you come down from this car, I'll mess you up. I'll teach you a lesson you never forget. Which kind of rubbish you are? Respect yourself. Oh.
Wait. Are you threatening me? Do you want me to prosecute you?
Prosecute me for what? Eh? If I'm not persecution, I'm going to kill you for there. This man, you're very stupid though.
I can see that poverty has eaten you up. I can see you are carrying back. You are taking your miserable life away from this community.
Your father. I say your father. No go better for you. Rubbish. Try me next time. You saw that.
Where are you coming from? Eh? And what are you doing with those plantains in your hand?
Baba, where I got them doesn't matter. What matters is where the plantain will enter.
Just take a good look at yourself. A common criminal. Your mates robbed with machine guns, AK-47. Here you are sneaking around houses, stealing tubers of yam, fowl, cassava, goats, and now plantain. Back in the States, we waste people like you.
Papa, let me tell you, what do you achieve? Nothing. Papa, let me tell you, I heard that you are going for the you will not smell the seeds. Do you know why? So you don't have money.
And what is there to have money? If that is the case, then I will dispose one or two of my lands and raise money for the campaign. Man!
Papa, which land? Don't forget that I'm your only son. And those land belongs to me.
You're nothing but a stupid son. You must buy land and erect skyscrapers, build duplexes for their family. And here you are dragging over my own portion of land. Criminal.
How many houses do you build? Eh? Papa, let me not see your foot in that land.
Thief.
I'm not taking it to you. I'm bad thief. I'm not taking it. I want to use back. That's the way. I want to use back. I want to use back.
So, Igwe, that is why we're here, my son and I.
Lisa, what you are asking of me is a very difficult task. You see, my friend Papilo is also interested in the same position. And you know, I cannot just consider you without, no, very difficult.
Igwe, I'm not interested in your relationship with Papilo. My concern is that my father is interested in that position. Yes. Igwe, asina ogonogo kwadrono kambode. Yes. The OJD compagnon at this time is that I want to punch in 2 million into your account. Yes.
2 million guinea?
Yes. I want to punch in 2 million into your account for my father. Ichizie you know.
What's all this? You see, this your son has grown into a very big boy, handsome. If you look at him very well, he looks more like I don't know whose son.
That is the OJD compagnon. That is the OJD compagnon.
He fits into the shoes of oh no whose son. Anyway.
My son said he will. Aujourd'hui comprend 2 million. Igwe, get out of here. Igwe, siabapwa. In Chinese, it means chipwa. Igwe, you will receive a lot. Phone will be there, ping, 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 ping. That is an alert.
There is no problem at all. You see, once I receive a lot, I will do the needful.
Give me your account number now. Let me punch in the money into your account.
Let them get me my phone.
Yes, Your Highness. Igwe, get out here. In Igbo it means Sefa. In Chinese it means Chipwa. That's an alert.
Igwe, the OJD compagnon, please give me your account number. Let me punch in 2 million into your account. That is the OJD compagnon.
I can do very well. Rap go to OJD, Yana compagnon. Alert, but once I get alert, your father is as good as one of you. Behind this boy, has the alert, has it entered?
Igwe, the alert will surely enter.
My princess.
Greetings, mother.
Oh, here you are. Greetings. I was even looking for you inside. I didn't know you were here.
Have you heard? Heard about what? Your love is back to this village.
My love? Who is my love?
Piccolo, of course. Son of the late Ono. He's back in town.
Please, Mom. I'm not a gold digger.
And who said you are one?
Mom, you are making me to look like one.